Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find day 15 of the little splash whale in Heartopia. So it is the green peach whale, I believe, and it is located in front of Jellyfish Cove, right here on the map. And just take a picture. Yes, it is the green peach splash whale. It's so pretty, it looks like a watermelon. Give it a little boop. I've heard that you don't actually need to do that, but I just do it just in case it doesn't appear like the bubble. The bubble is a little bit far. You have to swim into the Jellyfish Cove, and this is to the Whalefall direction. And then when you go out of the cove, you go out, up, and to the left, and you'll see the bubble right over here. It should be like in this area. If the pink, I don't know what it's called, like the speed thingy is not there, it's because you're not getting it during the rainbow weather, like this pink aura thing, but it's going to be right here. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!